catalyst for my sustainable fashion journey was really exiting out of Willow, coupled with meeting this incredible man called Johan Zeitz, who invented the environmental P&L at Puma, and he was there for 17 years as CEO. And I asked him what was the greatest expense to the planet in the environmental P&L, and he said the greatest expense to the planet is materials. About 70% of the cost to planet comes from material sourcing, and that was a real light bulb moment for me. I tell you what has surprised me in the sustainable era of Kidex is the uptake that's happened in the last 5 years. When I started, there was very little options for materials, and a lot of the agents said to me, Kit, seriously, no one cares. No one cares. And now they've got full sustainable ranges. The options of sustainable fabrics has happened a lot faster than I thought it was going to. What I love about TENCEL is that it fits within our sustainability criteria, and that is one of the pillars is natural. It comes from organic matter. No effluents are released into the natural resources, so no toxic chemicals. And if ever discarded, it composts back into earth. It wears well, it's durable, and you can wash it and it just gets better and better. My single favourite piece, I have many, but in particular, this is the current piece that is lensing certified TENCEL, and that is the Global Nomad Trench. It is a high frequency wear piece, it's durable, and it has multiple functional traits to it. It wears well. A real highlight for me was last year we went to Buckingham Palace to display a Kidex piece that was representing Australia in the Commonwealth Fashion Exchange, and it was really driven by focusing on the artisans and working together in unison to create beautiful product and honouring the hands that create. We worked with the Solomon Islands and artisans there, and it was a real moment in my career to be able to combine the sustainability, the conscious sourcing within Buckingham Palace and the royal family, who have such great support and belief in a sustainable future. Some advice to consumers about making choices in sustainable fashion is really to buy less and buy better. Stop buying quick fix fashion, wearing it once and disposing of it, because that is probably the single most costly difference that in the last 20 years has impacted on our planet. To understand what the garment is made from, check the care label and composition label, which actually has what it's made of, and stay away from anything that says polyester or polyester mix.